Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're taking a journey to a place of timeless beauty and warmth, the Spanish-style cottage cabin. Imagine sun-drenched courtyards, rustic elegance, and a sense of history that makes every detail feel special. We're going to uncover what makes this architectural style so enduringly popular, and then show you 10 of the most beautiful examples you've ever seen. Get ready to be transported. A Spanish-style cottage cabin is a captivating blend of two beloved architectural traditions: the cozy, intimate feel of a cabin or cottage and the romantic, old-world aesthetic of Spanish colonial and Mediterranean design. This style is defined by its core elements, which often include thick, white or off-white stucco walls, low-pitched red tile roofs, and charming architectural details like arched doorways and windows. Unlike grand Spanish villas, a cottage cabin version is more modest in scale, focusing on creating a cozy, secluded retreat. It emphasizes rustic materials such as exposed wooden beams, wrought iron detailing on doors and balconies, and natural stone or terracotta tiles. The overall design evokes a sense of timeless elegance and a deep connection to the earth, feeling both grounded and sophisticated. The benefits of building or living in a Spanish-style cottage are both aesthetic and practical. From a design perspective, the style is simply timeless. Its classic elements never go out of fashion, meaning your home will always have a distinguished, sophisticated look. The thick stucco and solid construction typical of these homes offer fantastic insulation, keeping interiors cool during hot summers and warm during colder months, which is a major benefit for energy efficiency. The red clay tile roofs are also incredibly durable and long-lasting, capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions for decades. Beyond the practical, these homes are built for a lifestyle of ease and comfort. They often feature courtyards and private patios that create tranquil outdoor living spaces, offering a peaceful sanctuary from the outside world. This style is not just a trend, it's a legacy of beautiful, functional, and enduring design. To decorate the exterior of your Spanish-style cottage and make it truly sing, focus on creating a harmonious blend of architectural detail and organic beauty. The foundation is the color palette, which should be a clean, crisp white or a warm, earthy tone for the stucco walls. This serves as the perfect backdrop for the rich red of the terracotta roof tiles. Incorporate wrought iron elements, such as railings on balconies, decorative grills over windows, and intricate hardware on doors and gates. These details add a touch of authentic, old-world charm. For landscaping, choose plants that are both beautiful and well-suited to a Mediterranean climate, such as vibrant bougainvillea, fragrant jasmine, olive trees, and various types of cacti. Lastly, don't forget the details. Displaying colorful, glazed ceramic tiles on stairs or around fountains, and filling terracotta pots with lush plants, will add layers of texture, color, and authenticity to your home. Now, let's take a look at 10 of the most beautiful Spanish-style cottages and cabins that perfectly capture the essence of this magical style. One, the coastal-inspired white villa. This stunning home features classic white stucco walls and a beautifully tiered red tile roof. The house is a multi-story design that appears to be built on a slope, with a large, spacious deck on the lower level. A single tall, thin palm tree stands prominently on the side, adding a touch of tropical elegance. The home's most notable feature is the series of graceful arches that lead to a covered patio area. The overall effect is one of serene, coastal beauty, with a clean and sophisticated feel. 2. The rustic stone courtyard. This image captures the heart of a Spanish-style home, the tranquil courtyard. The space is defined by its rough, natural stone walls and a rustic stone path that winds through the area. A small, simple fountain sits in the center, and its gentle stream of water creates a calming atmosphere. Terracotta pots filled with lush green plants are scattered along the path and on ledges, adding color and life. A simple wrought iron light fixture is mounted on the wall, and the whole scene feels like a peaceful, hidden sanctuary. 3. The traditional red-roofed cottage. This charming cottage is a quintessential example of Spanish design. The house has clean white stucco walls and a striking red tile roof with a slight overhang. The front of the home is dominated by a large wooden gate with arched detailing. The entryway is surrounded by lush, green shrubbery and a single, tall cypress tree stands on the side, a classic element in Mediterranean landscapes. The home has multiple windows with dark frames, and the simple, clean lines create a sense of timeless elegance. 4. The private courtyard oasis. This captivating image showcases a central courtyard that serves as a private oasis. A beautiful, mature tree with spreading branches provides shade over a stone path. The path is bordered by lush, green ground cover and small plants. An iron gate with a simple, yet elegant design leads into the courtyard, giving a sense of privacy and seclusion. The walls are a warm, sandy-colored stucco, and an arched entryway adds to the home's old-world charm. 5. The timeless hacienda. This beautiful home combines elements of a hacienda with a rustic cottage. The exterior is a warm, light-colored stucco with a bold, dark stone foundation. The standout architectural features are the large, exposed wooden beams that support a small covered patio area. The roof is a deep red tile, and several windows feature arch tops. The house feels both solid and inviting, with a sense of history and permanence that is characteristic of this style. 6. The vibrant family villa. This house is a perfect example of a more vibrant and colorful Spanish design. The stucco is a rich, warm, yellow-gold color that glows in the sunlight. The roof is a deep red tile, and the prominent arched entry is framed by a low, curved wall. A small balcony on the second floor has a simple metal railing. The landscaping features several tall palm trees that add to the tropical, resort-like feel of the home. 7. The intricately carved entryway. This image highlights the importance of detail in Spanish-style architecture. The focal point is a grand, intricately carved wooden door. The rich, dark wood is finished with large, ornamental metal hardware, and the door itself is set within a simple, arched entryway made of natural stone. The stone walls around the door have a rough, natural texture, and a beautiful lamp hangs from the ceiling. This detail creates a sense of luxury and craftsmanship from the moment you approach the home. 8. The classic cottage with a view. This charming cottage features a clean, white stucco exterior and a classic red tile roof. The home has a simple, rectangular form with a lovely balcony on the second floor. The balcony's railing is a simple but elegant black wrought iron, which provides a beautiful contrast to the white walls. A tall palm tree stands in the foreground, and the home is surrounded by a low, well-manicured hedge. The overall impression is one of simple beauty and classic elegance. 9. The Bell Tower Cottage. This lovely, simple cottage is a perfect example of a small, charming Spanish home. The exterior is a clean, bright white stucco with a classic red tile roof. The most unique feature is a small, curved wall that extends from the front of the house and supports a small, simple bell. A decorative wooden gate with a small window gives a peek into a private courtyard. A simple stone path leads to the house, and the entire scene feels like a peaceful retreat. 10. The Archway to Paradise. This close-up shot perfectly captures a key feature of Spanish design. A wide, smooth stucco archway frames a view of a tranquil patio. The archway has a decorative lamp hanging from its ceiling, providing a warm glow. A vibrant, deep red bougainvillea plant with a profusion of blossoms cascades over the top and down the side of the arch, adding a burst of color and life. The scene feels like a warm, private, and inviting oasis. The Spanish-style cottage cabin is a testament to the idea that true beauty comes from a timeless design, natural materials, and a sense of place. It's a style that offers not just a home, but a lifestyle, one filled with warmth, tranquility, and a connection to the sun-drenched landscapes that inspired it. After this, we will provide you gallery of best modern Spanish cottage house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.